Hi guys, continuing with the drywalling of the bathroom. So far I've done this much. Still need this area, but it's ready. The plumber has connected the pipes to the future faucets, the shower area, so that's good. So I can start with, I'm going to put a little more insulating on here, and then this to keep that keep it from preventing to damp with the temperature, and I'll be covering this up and with some plywood or OSB and then some drywall. And it's going to be a bit challenging because I need to cut holes for these and also these, so there's going to be a lot of measurements. Maybe measure 10 times and install it. Measure 10 times and cut and install it. But let me show you a trick, because as I mentioned, I have this hole. Now I put drywall on it and I drilled or saw a big round hole to get access to the future shelf. And what you can do is take a handsaw, saw it like this until you hit the wall behind here, the actual shelf, when the saw can't go any further because of wood. Then you cut with a knife from bottom to top, where you have the cuts from the saw, because if you cut it with a knife, you can just do this and then remove this part and just cut this area with a knife. Then you have a perfect cut of the future shelf. So I'll continue with that. See you later. You know what? I hate this part. It's easier to put up a tent than putting this on, but it has to be done. So I have finished with insulation of the walls. So now I'm putting this up. So I'll see you later. Am I still recording? Hi. Finally finished with the tent work. The bathroom has been sealed. So all I need now is drywall here, drywall here, and drywall here. After I put some plywood on, of course. Hi all. Sorry about the noise, it's the heater, it's running. A little note to myself: when you're preparing a room and you need some large drywall pieces to cover the walls, make sure to prepare beforehand and think before you assemble everything. So, well, first of all the walls are covered now with plywood and OSB. So, as I did last week, I prepared this wall, and now this wall is covered with the pipes for the shower, pipes for the sink. And then this wall is covered with plywood, and also this one. So now I'm actually going to cover this wall, and this wall with plywood. Made a little cutout for a window. I will, of course, make the perfect cutout for it and prepare these parts for the window with some plywood all the way around. But as I mentioned, prepare yourself, think forward, don't make mistakes like I do, because now I have this challenge. I need this drywall to be installed here. It's perfectly cut with the correct length, but I can't get it in the room. I tried this way, also tried this way in. I tried with an angle. It hits that water heater, so I can't get it in. So what I need to do now is I need to cut it somewhere. Just an exact cut so I can get it in, so it will have an assembly around here. But that's okay, that's fine, because either way it's going to be, the whole room is going to be covered with tiles. So yeah, it's a hassle, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'll be cutting it. I'll post you with a new video of the progress. Thank you for staying tuned. So I made the cut, got the drywall in, installed it. Let me show you. This is the piece, and this is the cut, so I could get it inside. Yeah, that's okay, that's fine. It's going to be covered with tiles anyway. So small progress. Looking forward to finishing this room. Going to be very beautiful. She has some very nice tiles. I'm looking forward to that part. See you later. Yep, this is going to be quite exciting. You know the term, measure 5,000 times, cut once. Or, yeah, you know what I mean. The next drywall, cut the holes, and they're supposed to fit here and here. I mean, I measured a lot, measured. So I really hope I got it. Let's take a look. Not quite as usual. I mean, I got 3 holes correct, the last one not. So these fit, but not the last one. I had to take this out to be able to see. So it's a bit off, a few millimeters. That's okay. I'll just fine cut it. So that's fine. I'll make it fit. I almost had it.